In this video, we will learn how to add WhatsApp button on WordPress website. By following this method, you can show this WhatsApp chat look to your viewers. Also, you can set a method that, when a visitor scrolls a certain time, then the WhatsApp chat button will become visible. You can set other chat or call buttons too. The plugin we will use is the most customizable WhatsApp chat plugin in the WordPress directory. I am sure it will satisfy you. So today, we will set up WhatsApp chat on this website. Install a plugin. Search WhatsApp. You can find this chatty plugin here. This has the highest number of 5-star reviews. Also, this is the best in its work. I skip the notification pop-up. Create widget. Here you will see my social media icon. By default, WhatsApp and phone calls are enabled. Let me disable the phone call. At first, we will show only the WhatsApp setup. Whatever you do, a preview will be shown here. Write your business WhatsApp number. I prefer to enable the WhatsApp chat widget. When someone clicks on the WhatsApp icon, it will be opened like this. Give the name of the chat representative, which will be shown in the chat box. You can use profile images too. This is the call to action button. I like to keep it blank. Let's save it and check the website. Everything is fine. After writing the message, if you press enter, it will move you to the WhatsApp app. I don't have the app or software, that's why it is directing me to WhatsApp web. Whatever. Let me introduce another customization. In the triggering section, you can customize the appearance. Like, after 5 seconds of the visitor coming, the WhatsApp button will be visible. I like to use the third trigger. After scrolling 10% of the page, the WhatsApp button will be visible. Let's check it. Start scrolling. Yes, it's visible now. You see there are some more settings below the triggers section, most for pro users only. Let's add other social media buttons now. I am adding Messenger. Give your Messenger URL here. Let me add some other buttons too. By the way, under every button, you will see this visibility option. You can disable any button from the computer or mobile device, such as this call button. Nobody will call you by computer. You can disable this on computer devices. Save widget, and check the output. One final thing I forgot to show. Under WhatsApp setting, you will see, open the chat widget on page load. It means, when someone visit this page, automatically this will be shown instead of showing only the WhatsApp icon. You can enable this if you want. Let's save it. See, after loading this page, it automatically opened the chat widget. So this is the video on how to add WhatsApp button on WordPress website. This video is also about how to add any call to action button to your WordPress website. If you have any questions, please ask me in the comment section. If it helped you, please subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you.